Welcome to the Beyond the Flood Levels Heritage Walk in Central Maitland. This short instructional video will help you to access the augmented reality or AR layer of the walk. Begin by heading to any of the signs along the walk. Scan the QR code with the camera on your device and tap the link that appears. You'll arrive at this screen. Click View Augmented Reality to launch the experience. Step on the footprint decal and aim your camera towards the AR decal, which can be found on the ground nearby. The augmented reality experience may take up to 30 seconds to load. Walk around to view and explore the augmented reality from various angles. To explore all 10 stops on the walk, consult the map or return to the website, which also contains frequently asked questions, troubleshooting support, and more information about Maitland's flood history. The following steps will ensure the settings on your device give you the best experience on this walk. First, check the operating system on your device is up to date. Switch off your auto screen lock. Turn up screen brightness to its highest level. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Check your camera is clean and in working condition. The AR works best with either Safari or Google as your web browser. And if prompted, allow the app to use your camera and microphone. Thank you for joining us on the Beyond the Flood Levels Heritage Walk. Remember, you can re-watch this instructional video at any time.